Hi friend, I'm Aki. Today I would like to show you around our new factory. Okay, as you see, this is our forming machines. It's used to forming the decor panel. Yeah, and then our panel would be going through the cold water. It aims to cool down the decor panel and then make it be more tough. And then the panel will be delivered to these machines. And you can see this is our delivery bell. And then the decor panel will be delivered to this and be ready to cut. Finally, our decor panels are finished and then be ready to pack. Okay, if you want to know more about our wall panels, please feel free to contact me. Bye bye.